Yes, how are you? Eric here. I work with a PayPal Uganda. Well, another video is here. If you have money in your PayPal account, what banks can you use in Uganda to withdraw from PayPal to bank? It is a question a lot of people have been asking me because there are people who already have PayPal accounts. They have money in their PayPal accounts, but this account has a $0.00. What if I have a PayPal account as seen in this screenshot and I have $99.14 and I'm also able to transfer this money? How am I able to transfer money from to withdraw? Some say transfer and some say withdraw. If I have money in my PayPal account, what are some of the ways I can use to withdraw money from PayPal or to cash out money from PayPal to our local methods like mobile money or even bank? Simply, the heading is how can you withdraw money from your PayPal account? There are different ways. First of all, briefly, I can use an agent, of which an agent charges 7% per withdrawal. I can use Stanbic Bank, I can use UBA Bank, and I can use also mobile money with international PayPal accounts like PayPal accounts for USA, UK, and other countries. Well, I can use friends that are outside Uganda. There are different ways. But if it is really hard to get someone who is outside Uganda, if it is hard for you to reach out to an agent and you would like to do personal withdrawals, you have your $99.14, you are getting challenged to cash out that money. How can you do? Well, the easiest and verified ways is using Stanbic Bank or UBA Bank. It is verified that you can cash out money from your PayPal account to Stanbic Bank, or you can use UBA Bank. And now, if you already have the PayPal account fully verified, and you don't remember that we set up verified accounts for organizations, businesses, people, and also those people who want to withdraw from different websites. For example, those people who go live on TikTok pays, but then you can cash out money from TikTok using PayPal, freelancers, and other websites. Well, if you already have the verified account like this, it is for a certain organization, but then it is verified, and you have received $99.14, then you are able to transfer. Firstly, get a bank account with Stanbic, no matter if it is a dollar account or a Ugandan shillings balance account. Then when you get the account, you can link, you go down, you can drop down to your PayPal account, then you click on see details. Of course, here they are saying link and confirm my debit or credit card. When you click there, they say link a payment method. There are two options. There is link a credit card and this is link a bank account. These are two different things. Link a bank account always works when you have a bank account for countries like USA, maybe Dubai. If you don't have access to any banker that is outside Uganda, because this doesn't deal with the Ugandan banks, never get a credit card or put it in mind that if you are in Uganda, you can link a bank account. No. If you are in Uganda, we use link a credit card. Else that anyone who is in Kenya, maybe they can use Equity Bank in Kenya. Well, if I'm in Uganda and I have already got my bank account with the Stanbic and you have got the credit card, then you will see an option keep your card info secure when you are shopping. Well, I just click on link a credit card. And then they will say link a card. Then since I have the card already, I'll put in the card number. It is that wrong number that appears on your card. Then you select the card type. It might be a Visa, MasterCard, American Express, Discovery, Union Pay, and Diners Club. Well, after you choose, mainly they give us Visa cards. Then you put in the expiry date that appears on your card, and also put in the CVC or the security code or that free number that is behind your card, and then click on link card. Since I haven't put in card details, there's nothing I'm going to link, but this is the process. Then after linking the card, they will tell you that your card has been linked. Then, for instance, if you already had the money, you click on something, you might click on the other option of link a card down here. link and confirm my debit card, or you can link the card directly when you are transferring money, because I can link the card down, or I can link the card immediately when I'm withdrawing money, and this is the easiest way. When I have money in my PayPal balance, I just click on transfer money. Yes, I'll go on the other option of either linking a card or bank. Then I'll choose the option of linking a bank. Sorry, linking a card. Then I put in my card details for Stanbic, and then they will say the card has been linked. Then they proceed to the option of they will show you how much you are withdrawing, or how much $99.14 are equivalent in Ugandan shillings. Well, you end with the process of saying transfer money. And when you click on transfer money, it will take around 1 minute for PayPal to process the payment from your PayPal account to your Stanbic Bank account. Then you receive a notification on Stanbic Bank that you have received this specific amount. You have received this specific amount from PayPal, and then you can reach out to the Stanbic agent, or even branch, or even you can cash out from Stanbic to your mobile, sorry, to your mobile wallet. That is how you can withdraw. There are some of the easiest ways you can withdraw money from your PayPal account. You can use Stanbic Bank or UBA Bank. It is the same process. Go up and open up an account with Stanbic. Go up and open up an account with UBA, or you can use an agent, of which I told you the agent charges 7% per transaction. Or you can use mobile money if you have an international PayPal account, and then you'll be using the PayPal Zoom service. And those are the easiest ways. And the last way is if you have anyone that is outside Uganda. Don't forget that we set up these verified accounts for organizations, businesses, people, and those people who want to withdraw from different websites where they are completing tasks. You can reach out to our support team on WhatsApp, or even call on 0707 688 655, and that is an Airtel line, or MTN 0784 155 292. Thank you. Thank you so much for watching, and for any question you can reach out to the comment section.